We love to cater to everyone's needs. That's why we try so hard to provide each and everyone with great service. And we're happy to say it's paid off with a glowing 5-star review that we'd like to share with you right now.
We chose the Poco Diablo Resort in Sedona for an anniversary getaway, and we're glad we did. We stayed in a very nice Poco King room with beautiful balcony views overlooking the golf course, a push-button gas fireplace, and my wife really liked the jetted tub. We dined in the restaurant on our first night and watched the sunset behind the hills on the patio. All of the staff, from the front desk to the restaurant crew, was friendly and professional. It was a wonderful way to celebrate 21 years together. Thank you, Poco Diablo. We will be back.
We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. We want to thank you for checking us out today, and we look forward to chatting with you soon.